All right, good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the New York uh, session. It is 5th of February 2018 and 8 a.m. Eastern now. Uh, Once again, a warm welcome for a few case studies, a couple of case studies in this session. All right, just a couple of announcements. Please watch out for a fundamental trigger after about an hour and 45 minutes from now, or maybe an hour and 30 minutes from now. That is the US dollar ISM manufacturing numbers going to come out. Now that fundamental trigger could help prices achieve uh, wave 4, respective wave 4 in euro and the dollar index as well. All right, and the other announcement, just a few seconds I'll be taking, but I need to appraise this since it has been the service level has been updated, has been changed, and a couple of new services have been added as well. If you're watching this video in an online or offline mode, I would urge you to kindly take a few minutes to first visit the web page mentioned here. Services are as under the live trade call services, which will be provided on the private Telegram channel. The second one is live trading room. That is you'll be getting access for Monday to Friday. I repeat, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we will analyze several instruments in a real time and will be sending out trade signals. If you remember, I had posted one of the live trading room sessions last week. All right, and number 3 would be a daily and weekly technical report service. All the 3 services are about 45.99 to subscribe, and it includes 9 days trial. Alright, I won't take much time, it's not a marketing session, but this is what it is. And if you are subscribing to all the above services, it's about 99.99 per month. Alright, so let's get started off with this session right now. We'll put this aside now. Okay, quick wave count for all those who are joining in or tuning in for the first time. Please remember, any service, that's the subscribed version which I described here, apart whether you do it or not, daily live sessions, 2 of them, UK and the New York live sessions, are going to be the same and going to be delivered same as we've been doing since the last 2 weeks now. And the educational offerings on the website and the YouTube channel is always going to be complimentary, at least for now. 15 videos have already been posted. Don't take them lightly. You can spend some time. It consists of around 7 hours of education for now. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I would not like to print wave 5 right there, but it's actually wave 1, wave 2, could be termination of wave 3 up there, and we are looking forward for a fourth wave. All right. And that is your trend line. Please remember, this educational session itself does empower us a lot, including myself, because it's more about practicing and spending time on charts, as always we've been discussing here. And as far as the channel line is concerned, it is, of course, it is taking time, but do remember one thing, there is an alternate guideline which indicates if the second wave was sharp, right? Wave 4 could be a flat, or could be a triangle, or could be and there are variants in a flat as well. It could be a standard. Looks like it's going to be a standard flat right now, but there's a running flat, and there's three types of flats and triangles possible. So it is bound to take some time. It is bound to take and test our trading patience as well. So kindly stay tuned with the direction, with having more patience in your trading style for now, because we are very close. In fact, just one cycle, one wave closer to a major top being formed in the EURUSD, and on the other side it would be a major low being formed in the dollar index. All right. If I do try and draw an Elliott channel, I think that's where exactly the prices should come and terminate. So watch out for 2200, 2250 kind of a support level for euro. That's a daily chart view for us. Right, we just went through the hourly chart last time. Now if we would like to just take an analogical view as to what is forming as the fourth wave, let's do that for just 2 minutes. Then we'll switch over to the dollar index, and Bitcoin we have discussed in a bit detail in the last session, so we'll be focusing on the euros and the dollar index, probably gold as well in this session. The standard flat still underway, 335. We all know that now. We've discussed quite a bit of number of times now. 3, 3 and 5. Unless it is a combination that is happening. Sorry. So unless if it's producing a combination, we are most probably going to witness that's the first 3, there's the second wave unfolding into 3 waves. You're most likely to witness a 5 waves drop, taking us all the way towards the 2200 handle. All right. Selling on rallies, as we have been discussing since the last week now, selling on rallies still remain a safe trading strategy for the Euro USD. All right. Okay. Now let's move on to the dollar index. Quickly, for those who are joining in or tuning in for the first time, and again, please always remember we need to stay in touch. Uh, Communication to remain active. Time and again, I would have been requesting, and I'm again requesting. Kindly look to be a part of the open for all Telegram channel at t.me/my name Harsh Japee. The only intention or reason that I'm requesting you to be there is just in case if there's a change or there's an update which I want to send out to you, uh, which is not possible as only as a notification on the YouTube channel itself. You might want to consider being there as well. Again, fifth wave is still remaining. It remains to be seen where the fifth wave would go and terminate. I would say that the wave 3 has terminated with a potential fourth wave underway, and be prepared for a flat time taking. At this point in time, it doesn't look like a triangle, and it's too early as well, to be very honest, to predict a triangle. Right now, it looks like a standard flat, unless and until it revolves around these support and resistance levels two more times. Okay, so for now, the past resistance around the 90.95, the previous wave for termination, I would say, is where we are looking for the current fourth wave of course, of one lesser degree to go and terminate. All right. Once this story is over, I mean, I'm waiting very patiently for the next big story to unfold. And time and again, we have we have told that okay, fine. I think this year, 2018, if we can capitalize on three major moves, we repeat, sir, if we can capitalize on the three major moves in the dollar index and the three major moves in the Euro USD, I think we've got a number of pips on hand, 2000 in the Euro and 2000 in the dollar index. Maybe not 2000, but 89 to 98, that is 1100. We'll be trying to capitalize these big moves, and the rest being covered by Bitcoin and the commodities, gold and silver. With clear focus on these five instruments, on all the above services that we've launched, apart from, of course, Dow Jones and other indices, we are going to absolutely focus on these five instruments in the next several months. Okay, so I'm just giving you an idea, a bigger picture of what could be in store in the dollar index in the coming weeks. Please watch out for that. We've got waves 1, 2, 3, and then wave 4. Fifth wave is underway. It's not yet done. Okay, so once it completes 5 down, like what is the basic structure or model, it'd be looking for a 3 up, and that is where we would like to capture. If we can capture all these three waves, uh, 2018 will go well, well under green cover. All right. So we are patiently waiting for the fourth wave of one lesser degree to get completed, and then give way to the fifth wave lower, and then begin an ABC corrective rally. At least an ABC corrective rally. All right. So that is the daily chart. It is going to take some time. It's not yet done right now, but you can clearly witness that the trend line resistance is now getting in much closer, much below than a meaningful resistance. The first meaningful resistance at 95.116. All right. So a push beyond the 95.16 mark will also be a push into the buy zone, and that would mean something for us. All right. I don't know if February. I mean, we are already in the first week, 5th of February now. If we can, how much we can capitalize, even if we can go into the fourth wave and then drop towards the fifth wave for this month, that'd be great. Okay, if we look at the 4-hour chart now, can you count 3 and 3? Yes, it is. It is a session where we need to enhance our visualization, and that's why I'm asking this question. Can you visualize something like this on the chart? Until now, I mean, the last leg is still not complete, but we are somewhere close, somewhere here right now. Three and 5. We are still into the last leg. Could you? We've done this quite a number of times now. Are you there with this wave, brothers and sisters? Let's do it together. A, B, and C. Giving way to the capital A, and then again A, B, and C, giving way to the capital B now, and then finally we might see a push higher towards a C wave, which could be towards the 90-60 or the 91 mark. All right. So watch out for wave C in action for the dollar index, and simultaneously the wave C into action, the Euro USD, both opposite to each other. Buying on dips would still be considered as a recommended strategy for the dollar index. It is still early times to declare that it's going to be a standard flat. It could be a triangle as well if it's going to oscillate within this price band between 88.55 now and maybe 89.40.60 levels. All right. So that is the way counts for the dollar index. Let's have a quick look at what's in store for the yellow metal now. It's not yet disappointing to see what is in store for the metal. At least we can if you look at the smaller time frame, one thing which is quite clear is that after breaking this trend line, the metal has quite a bit remained onto the sell side or sell zone actually. We can now not only draw that support trend line which is gone, I would like to extend this resistance trend line as well. Now what it means is if you try plotting it will be 1 or capital A and then be 2 or capital B, right? And now if you begin counting 5 waves now for a potential third wave or a C wave that's going to go like this: waves 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5. All right. It could be then labeled as wave 3 or capital C. So still even now selling on rallies until prices remain comfortably below 1366 now, it could be selling on rallies kind of a trading strategy which could be considered a safer one. All right. So with 3 case studies in this session, let's bring it a pause here, rather than sisters, and I'll now be back regular tomorrow UK times 2:30 a.m. UK session 2:30 a.m. Eastern Standard. Until then, good luck to your trades and take care and God bless. Goodbye. And don't forget, thank you again for watching this video either live or offline, and also thank you again for spreading the word, liking the videos and being subscribed here. I look forward to see you on the other side of the subscription services which are launched now. Until then, take care and God bless. Goodbye.